Hello, my dear student. How are you? I hope you are enjoying my video. Now, today I will tell you a minor and cofactor. It is a basic of minor and cofactor. Let us suppose we have a matrix of order 3 by 3. I am writing the element of matrix A of order 3 by 3 having element 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 0, 1, 6, 2. I want to find out its minor and cofactor. Okay, this part for minor and this for cofactor. Okay, minor. You must know minor will denoted by capital M and cofactor we can denote by capital A or C, your choice. Okay, now how many minor of this determinant of 3 by 3 exist? Equal to the number of element. 3 3s are 9, 9 minor exist and same way 9 cofactor exist. Means you will make the minor in respect of the first element of first row and first column M11. The first minor will be in the respect of this. You will write here M11. M12 minor in respect of the element of first row and second column. M13 minor in respect of first row and third column. M21 minor in respect of second row and first column. M22 minor in respect of second row and second column. M23 minor in respect of second row and third column. Now M31 minor in the respect of third row and first column, and 32 minor in the respect of third row and second column, and 33 minor in the respect of third row and third column. But the question arises here, how I will fill this. Okay, M11 means the minor of first row and first column you will left for element, you will left first row and first column. For M11, first row and first column. Remaining element you will write inside this one. 5062. For M12, you will left first row and second column. Remaining element you will write inside this determinant sign 1, 2. Okay. M13, you will left first row and third column. Remaining element 1, 5, 1, 6. Okay. Now M21, you will left element of second row and first column. Remaining element you will write 2, 3, 6, 2. M22, you will left the element of left the second row and second column. Second row, second column. The remaining element you will write 1, 3, 1, 2. M23, you will left second row and third column. Remaining element you will write 1, 2, 1, 6. Now 3, 1, you will left third row and first column. Remaining element you will write 2, 3 and third row and first column 2, 3, 5, 0. And 3, 2, you will left third row and second column. Third row and second column remaining element 1, 3, 1, 5. Means you left third row and second column. Third row and 1, 3, 1, 3, 1 3 1 3 and 1 0 because you are lefting third row and second column 1 3 1 0. Now n33 for n33 you will left third row and third column means third row and third column. Remaining element you will write inside this determinant sign. This will be 1 2 1 5. Okay, these all are the minor of a given matrix. Now I will tell you same way determinant. Sorry, cofactor. As we know that cofactor denoted by the capital letter A or capital C. Let us suppose, okay, how many cofactor exist? Like as minor. If determinant over 3 by 3, 3 3 are 9 minor exist. Same way, 9 cofactor will exist. So I will convert minor into cofactor. A11, A12, A13, like as minor. A14, sorry, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. One more means same way, but here is very important to write the sign as per the sum of the suffix. Since 1 plus 1 is even, so the sign will be positive. Here 1 plus 2 is odd, sign will be negative. 1 plus 3 is 4, which is even, sign will be positive. 2 plus 1, 3 is odd, so therefore sign will be negative. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 is even, sign will be positive. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 is odd, sign will be negative. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 is even, sign will be positive. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 is odd, sign will be negative. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 is positive, even, sign will be positive, right? So this is the way to mention the sign in a cofactor. Now the rest of the process will be alike, means you will just copy for M1, M11, M11 5 0 6 2, M12 1 0 1 2, M13 1 5 1 6. No change. Like as a minor. M21, A21. The value inside the determinant will be same. M22, 1 3 1 2. M23, M21, M22, M22. Sorry. M22 means A22. It will be 1 3 1 2. A23. You will copy the element of M23. 1 2 1 6. M31, A31. I hope you are understanding the relation 2 3 5 0. M32, we just copy the element of M32 1 3 1 0. Okay. M33 1 2 1 5 1 2 1 5. So I hope you understand the relation between minor and cofactor. Without sign are minor, with sign are cofactor. This is the basic difference between minor and cofactor. I hope my dear student you understand this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.